All right, let's get right into it. So let's say you have multiple clips within your timeline, and some clips, the audio loudness is just so high, while the other ones are so low. Or you have one clip where the audio goes up, down, the volume is not even throughout the clip. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. We are going to need essential sounds. If you don't see this essential sounds, all you need to do is go to the top of your window where it says window, and then click on essential sounds. Just make sure this is checked, and once you have that checked, it will appear somewhere on your Adobe layout. Okay, and then what you want to do is, if you only have one clip that you want to auto match throughout the clip, or if you have multiple clips, all you do is select all of your clips. If you want to match all of those clips audio loudness, just select all of them. Or if in my case, where I only want auto match this one clip, you select that clip, and then you're going to click on dialogue. Once you click on dialogue, under loudness, all you do is click on auto match. Once you do that, what Adobe does is they take the clips with the parts of the clip where the audio was high, they decrease that. And then the parts of the clip where the audio was pretty low, they will increase it so that way it matches perfectly throughout the clip or throughout all the clips that you have selected. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel.